Helpful tips about lead generation that are simple to follow. Lead generation is very important in the business world because it helps you attract consumers to your business. You can either do it yourself or hire a company to do it for you. The latter choice is risky, so it is always better to find ways to generate leads yourself. The video below offers solid tips and ideas on how to go about doing that. Try a fax campaign to increase your lead generation. Fax may seem very 1980s in terms of business communication, but most companies still rely on these machines. So many people have ignored the fax machine in the 21st century. But that only means that you have less clutter to battle. Your message will be more likely to hit. Look into pay-per-click campaigns to generate leads. The first place most people go to seek business opportunity is Google. If you aren't on page 1 organically for the typical search terms they use, then you need to pay to be there. You only are charged if people click the ads, so it's an excellent way to simply build brand awareness as well. Create engaging content. Lead generation relies a lot on building trust with your product or service. Smart targeted content does a lot to help get you there. Your target audience will be more likely to do business with you if they feel you are providing great service and that you legitimately care. Get to know how lead values work. However, there will be some leads that are inappropriate for a particular campaign. Qualify your target market ahead of time, so you're not making any futile, unprofitable attempts. Choosing the right leads will guarantee more success. Consider teaching a class on the skills you have. For example, if you are an excellent marketer, teach a basic marketing class. You can let students know about whatever it is you're doing, and you can look for those students you think would make the best leads and then target them directly. After watching the above video, you should be able to tell the difference between a good lead and a bad one. If you go about generating leads on your own, then follow the tips that you watch here. Outside companies that offer lead generation is usually a bad idea, but with the tips you just learned, you should be able to be successful at it on your own. Student loan.